Hello nga guys, may questionnaire ako sa inyo. Ang questionnaire ko is, kailangan nyo mag-follow is, i-follow nyo tong ko guys, yung TikTok ko, at saka mag-subscribe na kayo. So, interview ko muna guys as a rising creator, because I am not a rising creator, I am contributor creator. So let's find out. I buy this for 16,000. So I have some money. So guys, let's interview myself and what's my wrong, what's my favorite avenue. So I am Orvin Tiukaya from Philippines in Misamis Occidental. Aluran, Misamis Occidental. I am a 9 years old, born in 2015, and my family is in the Manila, and my mother is in the Manila, and my father is in Manila. My father has got a seriously like that guys. So I have to suggest to you guys why I'm not strategy of my life. So my family is in the Manila, so I want to wait him to quit his strategy. So what I'm doing right now, I am doing with my vlogs, my content creator, contributor, with my subscriber, and happiness to me. Why I'm doing this? I am 9 years old, but I can buy this. And if I not plug this, I pull out this, and I put that in my searcher, and it's gonna plug in. So time ago, my brother said my father has got a sickness. He got a heart attack, and I am purely sad. I am crying for 3 days. And can you support my YouTube channel? And I will sound check my boga. That's say in the Philippines, lantaka or kundi boga. As a contributor creator, I am doing with my happiness and joyful, and I am a blogger in Facebook. And what I am interviewing, because we had to say I am gamer